We're feeling a bit peckish, so I'm going to do a really quick snack. Really nice but quick. Okay, so I'm going to start with a good knob of garlic butter. If you've not got garlic butter, just an ordinary butter, but it is nice with garlic butter. If you need to know how to make it, have a look at my chicken curds recipe. It'll tell you there how to make it. So a good knob of garlic butter into a frying pan. Get that melted. Let's get this back. This is a really quick snack, but really nice. It's my creamy cheese and mushrooms on toast. So we'll start by getting the butter melted. I've got some sliced mushrooms, I've got some crème fraîche, I've got some mild cheddar, some mature cheddar, and I've grated some red Leicester as well. Although you could just use the one cheese if you want, you don't have to use all three. It's not really a big deal. So what we need to do, first of all, is get these mushrooms cooked. So you want to cook them so they're nice and soft. And you also want to toast one side of your bread, so just toast to one side, not to both of them, just one. So let's get the mushrooms in there. Get them cooked. Toast on the go. So we get them cooked off so nice and soft. It only takes a few minutes to cook this. So it'll be a quick snack for before you go out. As you can see, they're starting to cook nicely now. Nice and soft. The toast is done, so let the toast put to one side. Right, now that's browned off nicely that now. So what I'm going to do now is to put three heaped tablespoons of crème fraîche. Get that mixed in with the mushrooms. Like that. And then add in a really good handful of grated cheese, or whatever cheese you're using. Like I said, I've got 3 prepared here, so I'm going to put in the red Leicester. Then I'm going to put in the mild grated cheddar. And then I'm going to put in some mature cheddar. And then we're going to sprinkle it with some black pepper, spread it on the other side of the toast, and then be it under the grill. So that's all the cheese. Using a spatula, and mix that in because you want that cheese to melt. So you can turn the heat back up now, get it to melt. Getting that cheese melted. As you can see, that cheese is now starting to melt. So this is my creamy cheese and mushrooms. Done. What you need to do now is turn the heat down. Get your toast. Turn it round. And using a spoon, start spreading it onto that toast. Make sure the toast is well covered. Make sure it's all covered. Use a palette knife or a knife or whatever you want to use. Just make sure that's all well covered. And what you can do now is just put that under the grill for a minute or two until the cheese starts to cook on top. And then it's done. And there you have my creamed cheese and mushrooms on toast. Perfect for a quick snack.